wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best American Girl dolls. Let's get started with the list. Maryellen Larkin comes with a vintage sweetheart dress and Mary Jane shoes, along with a blue knit shrug with an embroidered monogram and a smooth silky wig that can be combed and styled. This doll loves science and geography, and her story is great for trailblazers. However, the hairline is a little odd. At number 9, Welliewishers Willa makes a good gift for nature lovers, as her colourful shirt and skirt feature images of hedgehogs, and her rain boots have a ladybug-inspired design. Her shiny strawberry blonde hair is topped with a headband that looks like bunny's ears. This one boasts bright hazel eyes and curls that hold well over time, but it is small at less than 15 inches tall. Coming in at number 8 in our list, one of the more contemporary choices in the company's lineup, Logan Everett, is a drummer and bandmate to the Tenny Grant character. He has the distinction of being the first male doll offered by the company, and his hands are positioned to help him hold drumsticks. He comes with a side-swept mop of hair and makes a nice companion for all genders. However, he doesn't come with any musical instruments. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Clever Kid Kittredge is the subject of a popular movie about life in the difficult Depression-era 1930s. He has a quirky short hairstyle that's ideal for young children who may tend to get longer strands tied up in knots. He sports freckles on her cheeks and matching print and floral buttons, but the belt is not detachable. Moving up our list to number 6, the artistic Gabriela McBride was the official American Girl of 2017. Her character's inspiring story is one of a girl with a stutter who overcomes it with speech therapy and spoken word poetry. In addition to writing, she loves to express herself through dance. It comes with a casual exercise outfit, and a bag is sold separately. However, the quality of her hair could be better. Halfway up our list at number 5, Kendrick is the 2020 Girl of the Year, a surfer and a cheerleader with laid-back California style. She loves the beach and just happens to be hearing impaired. Her swimsuit doubles as a tank top, and her zip-up hoodie has multicolored foil decals down the sleeves. She wears embroidered denim shorts, 2 hearing aids, and cute pink flip-flops. At number 4, Luciana Vega arrives in an out-of-this-world dress that reflects her dream of becoming the first person to go to Mars. This aspiring space traveler wears a shiny choker and has a modern purple streak in her straight brown hair. She features holographic lace-up boots and a red purse belt. However, the separate astronaut costume is pricey. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with hot pink leggings and an acid-wash denim miniskirt, Courtney Moore hails from the totally tubular 1980s. Her accessories are some of the most adorable you'll find and include a Care Bear sleeping bag and a Pac-Man lunchbox, all sold separately of course. She boasts a high side ponytail with a scrunchie, a crop top with a retro graphic, and white pleather boots. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl dolls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, Melody Ellison lives in 1960s Detroit at the height of the civil rights movement. She'd make a good gift for anyone who appreciates vintage clothing and an important history lesson. Her patent leather shoes with teal bows match her headband. She sports a playful hairstyle and washable socks and underwear. Her story is one of an optimistic budding singer. And taking the top spot on our list, Samantha Parkington was one of the first 3 American girls, along with Kirsten and Molly. If you want to start your child's collection from the beginning, then you can't go wrong with this classic ultra-feminine model. She comes with an authentic 1904 outfit with ruffles on the sleeves, along with a Manners and Mischief book. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki www.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for American Girl Dolls, or simply click beneath this video.